there! Welcome to our video series on PTO and leave policies for HR professionals. My name is Nihan and I'm excited to guide you through everything you need to know about paid time off. Whether you're new to HR or a seasoned pro looking to brush up on the latest practices, this series is designed just for you. This video will start with what exactly is PTO. PTO stands for Paid Time Off. It's a policy that allows employees to take paid leave from work for a variety of reasons, all while still receiving their regular paycheck. Employees might use PTO for taking a vacation, recovering from an illness, attending to personal matters, handling family holidays, or simply taking a mental health day. There are many types of PTO: vacation leave, personal leave, sick leave, and parental leave. This flexibility is one of the key benefits of PTO. It empowers employees to manage their time off in a way that best suits their personal and professional needs. Understanding what PTO is and its types is the first step in effectively managing your company's leave policies. In the next section, we will discuss why PTO is so important and how it benefits both employees and employers.